Hey guys, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and owner of a growing system called Torpedopot. We make self-growing planters that grow your food for you. You never water, you never feed your plants. You just put your plants in and put your seeds in and it grows it for you. You never have to grow your food anymore. And I have an illustrious blueberry bush. We stumbled upon it about a year ago, I guess. Not about a year ago. From a Walmart, and we got it for like, I don't know, $1 or something. In pretty bad shape. And so what we did is that we put it, this blueberry plant in a torpedo pot. And this plant has been doing things that is just so miraculous. It's just so unbelievable. We have it growing in a strawberry field of about 1,000 strawberries. And so I want today to simply take a look at this plant and count how many blueberries are on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 plants, I guess, in this flower pot. I guess it might be about 3 plants here. And to see how they're doing. They look good. They look healthy. And they're growing tremendously. So let me count the blueberries on this thing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 60, 7, 8. Okay. You're going to get about, off of this one plant right here, about over 100 blueberries will come off of this one plant. 100 blueberries. That's just one plant. The second plant, and they'll have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, about 15 appear. Oh, 15, about 20 blueberries off the second plant. And this is the oldest. This is the most mature. These rest of these were in a very dead state. So, of course, you got it for $1. The torpedo pot brings your plants back to life. So we just took the plant, put it in there. First year, it looked like it was dead. We didn't remove it. Just leave it in there because you don't know if your plants are completely dead or not. And we can see the second year is taking root and it's really got a good staying power. Very, very good staying power. It's very good. So in this one planter, we might be able to do about 200 blueberries for these young plants that are in this planter. Guys, these are self-growing planters. See that knob down there? All you do is turn that knob. You put your plants and your seeds in and it grows your food for you. I can actually have more blueberry bushes in this planter if I wanted to. But, you know, I got these for $1. It's not like I planned it. I just put them in here and they started to grow. Torpedo pot has a very interesting action that takes place. It creates a sustainable environment for your plants to grow. What is that? These plants have plumbing systems that water your plants for you and feed your plants for you. You don't have to, well, water your plants anymore because Torpedo Pot does it for you. And you'll find out in these 24 inches, and this is the second year. I mean, the second year is when most plants start blooming. And the second year to hit over, in this 24 inches, 150 to 200 blueberries, that's amazing. That's really amazing. That is amazing. So this is on its way to a really, really healthy realization, these plants, and they're going to have a really good life because they're growing in a torpedo pot. Again, all I did was take my plants, my small blueberry bushes half dead, from Walmart, put it in my planter, turn my planter on, and it literally grows my food for me. And I'm so happy with what I'm seeing in these blueberries. Now, I want to get to them before you hear them in the background? Yeah, the birds do. So the minute they hit ripeness, I'm going to jump on these to see if I can eat it. Because they're absolutely beautiful. Let me bring this closer so you can actually see what's going on the screen. But they're absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? The clusters are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Man, that's amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. That's gorgeous. And so we're growing these And we're growing hundreds of other plants in Torpedopot. Put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in a planter, turn it on, walk away. One thing we do is we hit it with a 3-12-12, I think once in like 2-3 weeks, and it's running on its own. But they're absolutely stunning, guys. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. Get Torpedopot, they'll get you there. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.